Hello, and welcome to our Tech Insights series. Today, we're diving into the latest trends in AI and how they're revolutionizing the tech industry. First up, machine learning. It's not just about algorithms anymore. We're seeing groundbreaking advancements in deep learning, neural networks, and predictive analytics impacting everything from healthcare to finance. Next, let's talk about natural language processing, or NLP. This technology is behind the smart assistants we use every day. The latest trend? NLP is becoming more context-aware, making interactions more natural and human-like. Now, let's touch on a critical aspect: AI ethics. With AI's growing role in our lives, there's a strong focus on ethical AI development. This includes bias elimination, data privacy, and ensuring AI benefits society as a whole. AI isn't just a tech buzzword, it's part of our daily lives. From smarter homes to advanced healthcare diagnostics, AI is making a tangible impact. And what about the future? We're looking at AI in robotics, space exploration, and even augmenting human abilities. The possibilities are limitless. As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that its influence on technology and our lives will only grow stronger. Stay tuned for more tech trends and insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more exciting content. See you in the next video.